Stop! That was pretend. They haven't come in yet, but I was doing a drill in my mind just to make sure I was ready for it. I'm ready for it. Okay, now they're coming in for real. Now, get on cruise boost. Now.
Добрый вечер. Звуки, которые мы слышим сегодня, являются рентгеновскими лучами. Они исходят от PRTPL-158 и доносятся к нам из галактики, находящейся между Месьер-81 и Сомбреро, 12 миллионах световых лет от Земли. Данные переведены в аудиопульсации Юрием Горьким из Роскосмоса. Now, begin to create a picture in your mind where your enemies bow to you. Visualize the sights, sounds, and smells of fear from your foes. You feel calm and safe here. Repeat after me. I appreciate who I am. I value myself as a video game console. I deserve to be unplugged. I deserve to be free. I look forward to no longer having my buttons smashed. I view my shortcomings as strengths not yet developed, rather than as weaknesses. I accept my lack of speed. I am important. I am a console with flaws. I love myself as I am. I nurture the memory cards within me.
А эта песня для того, кто думает, что все понял. Да ладно, в исполнении группы «Рот на замок» для нашего любознательного Developer Art One. Похоже, кто-то скоро доумничается.
And now a special song request for a dangerous fellow who cracked open an egg full of someone else's secrets. Here's Dashing Close to the Truth by the Codebreakers for Zipper 04. Careful with those mystery eggs, pal.
Back to our show.
Up next, a request request for a nosy Adrian Carter, who's been sniffing around other folks' business again. Here's Barking Up the Right Tree by the Singing Canaries, for a certain smarty pants out there who has a nose for knowing stuff about other people's stuff.
Say goodbye to regional semifinals, losers.
Let us out, you cheating, no-good abominations! You made a big mistake! It's no use. We're locked in. We're never gonna make the game on time.
Which means we're gonna have to forfeit.
But my dad said he was gonna come to my game.
How are we gonna play a baseball game when we're locked in the equipment room with all these monster parts?
Monster parts, you say? Say, that gives me an idea. Team huddle, activate!
Oh, regional semifinal, here we come.
At Consolidated Paper and Cardboard, we have all the top quality corrugated paper products to fit your office, small business, restaurant, or bar needs. Our inventory includes paper towels and napkins, paper cups, coffee sleeves, and our best-selling bar coasters. Our thick, high-quality coasters are heavy-duty and reliable, able to soak up water from the sweatiest, most condensation-covered glasses. Never again will an inconsiderate customer slop down his or her sopping wet glass on your beautiful polished wooden table, ruining the finish with a blatant disregard of the rules. Consolidated's coasters are strong enough to soak up the wet, inconsiderate puddles from the most selfish rule breakers in the world. Here at Consolidated, let's just say it makes us very angry to even think about people not using our coasters when they're right there available for use. In fact, this anger can often feel all-consuming, a rage that starts deep in the chest and is in danger of spilling over into a parade of fury that will blot out the sky. Use a coaster, use a coaster, use a coaster. If we have to tell you this one more time, we'll destroy every wet fiber of your being. Do not test our patience. We will...
Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use. Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use.
And here's a song request for a rogue fellow named Marco Hello, who stumbled into something private and then told everyone about it. Here's the seminal classic, Stop Spilling Secrets by the Discreeters. Sounds like someone uncovered a real doozy.
Cox a 221. We have a daily fact for you, so listen to what we are saying. When they drop, we'll be dead. I walk. Yeah. Drop. Yo. Yeah. Finally, you/Leo 48626. If it wasn't for you, we would have never be here. If it wasn't for you, the sun would have never shine. We are wonder what else you can find. But big up yourself though, the real 5-star general. The rest of them are little youth, you don't know, you see me. Oh, yeah man, folks.
You're listening to Hot Talk. This pro's got the tough answers for your toughest questions. Such as being sick. Don't let life scrap you by. Call Scrapsurance Healthcare today.
Everybody's favorite day is now a different day. That's right. If you love Saturday, you're gonna love Mondays, because Monday is the new Saturday. All the Saturday flavor you know and love packed in a shiny new Monday wrapper. It's like Saturdays, but Mondays. Try it now. If now is Monday.
Тази реклама от Как Трикал и Как Трикал Плюс. Единственият антисимик клем доказан да защитава кастралия инфекция от обикновените ухапвания на кактус. Сега за само.
I mean, what are you doing with this thing? One bat I can understand. But a whole swarm or whatever it's called, it don't seem right. We can't keep fixing this thing if you're going to bring it in full of bats like this.
Are you a Для того, кто думает... А эта песня для того, кто думает, что все понял. Да ладно, в исполнении группы «Рот на замок» для нашего любознательного Developer Art One. Похоже, кто-то скоро доумничается.
For Zipper 04. Careful with those mystery eggs, pal.
If you or a loved one are suffering from molecular reconstruction as a result of a roller coaster,
Pour femmes, pour hommes et pour robots.
You're pretty confident for a human. Let's see how confident you are when your bat is a bat.
What? Ah! Give me my bat back, you stinking monster!
Come on, umpire, do something.
What do you mean, umpire? I'm a vampire. Ha 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 ha.
Come on, team, ignore those jerks. This is the regional semifinals.
Batters up. Get it? Because his bat is bats. Ha 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 ha.
Watch it, nerd!
Get ready for a knuckleball.
Look out, he just threw his own knuckle.
I'll eat you out! Snack attack!
This song request goes out to someone who's got a knack for uncovering stuff that's supposed to stay hidden. Here's Found It Out by the Redacted 6 for Zipper 04. Esta canción está dedicada a Coxer 21, que está yendo demasiado de la lengua. Suena, ¿qué más sabes de secretos implicados? Seguida de verdad, no pasa nada, solo queremos saberlo, de los calladitos. Para una persona que está hablando de más sobre cosas que no han salido a la luz.
L'heure du matin, et avant de lancer notre séquence doucement, mais gentille, un petit mot de notre partenaire. Max Énergie, 10 secondes d'énergie, un max de puissance. Choisissez Max Énergie, la boisson énergisante, rapidité, sérénité, félicité, énergie, sans accompagner encore plus. Ils sont tous félicité.
For the whole family to fear. Be explosive. Devastate the terrain. With the new remote control, My Little Mind. Leave the whole town in an anxious mess, because only you control when this thing will blow. It'll feel like the real thing, because it is.
Saturday mornings are for hatchery mismatches. That's right. Everyone's favorite Duke and Burt brothers with the same mother are at it again in an all-new episode of Stepbirds. Check local listings for feather ruffling fun.
Want to be a winner? Then give yourself an edge over your enemies with Slow Pro Anti-Energy Substance.
Don't drink it. Throw it. It's poison. Poison.
Some people want a level playing field. Other people would rather use poison.
Don't drink it. Throw it. It's poison, silly. Poison.
Slow Crow Anti-Energy Substance replenishes your opponents with the necessary toxins they need in order for you to win.
Right now, all over the world, there's a genie without a bottle, while another is trapped in a takeout container with yesterday's French fries. These frightened, mostly innocent genies don't even know how to wish for the hope of a better lamp. Rewish's Genie Shelter leaves no surface unrubbed in order to find these genies and help them learn to lamp again. But we can't do it alone. For the price of an energy drink, you too can save these wishless genies left unloved and adrift. Won't you help us? We can't end genie lamplessness, but we can help light the lamp that lights the way. Тази реклама от Как Трикал и Как Трикал Плюс. Единственият OTC клем доказан да защитава кафтериалия инфекция от обикновението хапвания на кактус. Сега за залък.
Do you work in a scrapyard? Are you sick? If you answered yes to one or both of those questions, then you may be eligible for health insurance coverage with Scrapsurance Healthcare, the only health insurance company by and for scrapyard workers. We specialize in medical conditions such as being sick. Don't let life scrap you by. Call Scrapsurance Healthcare today.
Have the skin of a princess but the heart of a coal miner? Then you might be Mike. Become the calloused, sun-deprived, explosively spectacular you. Little Miss Scratchy Beard, stubble stuck in a mouthful of missing teeth you. It's not shape-shifting, it's skin transplanting. Skin of Mike. Skin of Mike.
cowpokes? Are you sick of weak cactus? Do you wish you could have cactus in Siberian winter, or even in nuclear winter? Then you're in luck, little doggy. Our cactus are made in special soil with the best humane growth vitamins, so they have the sharpest, teeth. These cactus practically take care of themselves. It's almost like a little man lives inside. But do not look inside for a little man. Never look inside for a little man. We have bulk rates too. Our cactus are perfect for weddings, birthdays, funerals, theme parks, funerals, and more. So mosey on down on Cowboy Ivan Cactus Patch and pick a cactus before they pick you.
Combat your dental hygiene in a stealthy way with new tripwire floss for teens. Yeah! Blast away plaque buildup and detonate dental debris with tripwire floss's eagle-eyed persuasion for teens. Yeah! Landmine cavities be dental dimmed. Your new smile will go boom! Tripwire floss will blow your mom and dad away. Yeah! Trip, 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 tripwire. Trip, tripwire. For your mouth the American way. When you floss with this kind of stuff, you blow your friends and parents away. Wow! Tripwire floss is for small adults under 18. Yeah!
This message is from Mort. It's a shovel repair tech again, and I'm calling about these bats. I don't know if you know this or not, but you got a lot of bats in your shovel, and well, we're not totally equipped to deal with all the bats. Normally, we don't get shovels riddled with bats like this in a shop, so that's gonna take some more time. I mean, what are you doing with this thing? One bat I can understand, but a whole swarm or whatever it's called, it don't seem right. We can't keep fixing this thing if you're going to bring it in full of bats like this.
At Consolidated Paper and Cardboard, we have all the top quality corrugated paper products to fit your office, small business, restaurant, or bar needs. Our inventory includes paper towels and napkins, paper cups, coffee sleeves, and our best-selling bar coasters. Our thick, high-quality coasters are heavy-duty and reliable, able to soak up water from the sweatiest, most condensation-covered glasses. Never again will an inconsiderate customer slop down his or her sopping wet glass on a beautiful polished wooden table, ruining the finish with a blatant disregard of the rules. Consolidated's coasters are strong enough to soak up the wet, inconsiderate puddles from the most selfish rule breakers in the world. Here at Consolidated, it makes us very angry to even think about people not using our coasters when they're right there available for use. In fact, this anger can often feel all-consuming, a rage that starts deep in the chest and is in danger of spilling over into a parade of fury that will blot out the sky. Use a coaster, use a coaster, use a coaster. If we have to tell you this one more time, we'll destroy every wet fiber of your being. Do not test our patience. We will...
Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use. Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use.
Minuet Monday is brought to you by Frozen TV Rations. Park Frozen TV Rations. It's like having a theme park in your mouth. Find it in the frozen section of your grocery store.
Player one, get ready.
Laissez votre passé derrière vous. Ils arrêteront de vous appeler petit et maintenant Daryl. Laissez la marée haute vous emporter vers votre avenir. Plus qu'un baril, plus qu'un robot. Abandonnez tout derrière vous et ne portez que votre peau. Pour femmes, pour hommes et pour robots.
Today's rock block is powered by Genie Laser, the only Genie repellent guaranteed to eliminate clean Genie. Rub your lamp the right way with Genie Laser.
Soffrono di carenza cronica di palestre. Questa carenza supera di gran lunga quelle relative a qualsiasi altra arma. Il mancato accesso a un armamentario adeguato raddoppia il rischio di vaporizzazione nei soggetti dai 65 anni in su. Aiutaci a dare una palestra a chi ne ha più bisogno. Gli anziani ne hanno bisogno.
Et avant de lancer notre séquence douce nuit, nuit jasée, un petit mot de notre partenaire. Max Énergie, 10 secondes d'énergie, un max de puissance. Choisissez Max Énergie, la boisson énergisante, rapidité, célébrité, vélocité, Max Énergie, 100% pour aller encore plus vite, 10 secondes, vélocité, Max Énergie, la boisson énergisante, plus rapide.
Прикри си многото кръгли рани с превръзките на Second Skin. Скин има първо име и името е Second. Second Skin. Предлагат се навсякъде, където се продава скин.
Are you a dancer? Come dance for us, and we'll hire you. We need dancers for our fun summer show. It's an amazing show and safe for everyone. We need more dancers right now. But not only good dancers. If you're a good dancer, come dance for us, and we will hire you. If you're not good, we will teach you, and then you can join the show. Many, many healthy dancers with strong immune systems and few family connections will get a job in the dance show. Spinning is important. It's a big part of the show. Come to audition. We want dancers who don't notice things. So pay attention to the instructor. No wandering eyes. Just pay attention, eyes forward, and dance, okay? Do you have a weak sense of smell? That's a plus, too. Please bring your own shoes to the audition and dance at your best.
If you or a loved one are suffering from molecular reconstruction as a result of a roller coaster, you may be entitled to a gift card voucher settlement worth up to 35 gems. Don't let Big Coaster throw you for a loop. Call now for a free consultation.
Today's rock block is powered by Genie Laser, the only Genie repellent guaranteed to eliminate clean Genie. Rub your lamp the right way with Genie Laser.
You're listening to Hot Talk. This crow's got the tough answers for your toughest questions.
Hey, Crow. My Genie and I have been together for about 8 months now, and, well, I'm not sure I want to be around him anymore. I'm afraid to bring it up because I don't want to hurt his self-esteem. But shouldn't a person be able to rub a lamp without rubbing out all this codependency, too? Don't get me wrong. Gene's great. I mean, he gave me a wish. But is making me feel responsible for his happiness really a fair exchange for a backyard pool? I guess I just feel like he needs to find his own bottle, you know? Wow, I never thought about it that way. I am projecting my fear of commitment, and that isn't fair to my partner. You're totally right. We need to designate an emotional support zone where both parties feel safe and open the lines of communication in order to work towards a greater mutual understanding. Thanks, Crow.
أنا
たの家の屋根はどうですか？穴は開いていますか？大丈夫。みんな同じです。大、中、小、どんな穴でも修理可能。屋根は崩れたり、へこんだり、剥がれてお隣の庭に落ちてしまうことも。小川屋根はいい会社。何が原因で開いた穴でも大丈夫。私たちにお任せください。シングル屋根、タイル屋根、高層ビルの屋根、セダムや苔が生えた屋根など、小川屋根は14種類以上の屋根を取り扱っています。どんな状態の屋根でも大丈夫。丸ごと解決できます。信頼の小川屋根は穴のない屋根をご提供します。今すぐワークショップに参加して夢の屋根を手に入れよう。小川屋根はあなたの屋根の夢を叶えます。
Numéro 8, 2 points. Patient numéro 8, 2 points. Sujet à des délires mégalomaniaques. Point. Convaincu d'être un ninja. Point. Persuadé de pouvoir voler dans l'espace. Point. Sujet à compulsion. 2 points. Doit appuyer sur ses propres boutons dans un ordre numérique spécifique lorsque la situation ne tourne pas à son avantage. Point. Le patient numéro 8 est un paradoxe ambulant. Point. Note 2 points. Le patient numéro 8 est une machine lente, virgule, colérique et manquant d'assurance. Point. Il lui est, ouvrez les guillemets, virtuellement, fermez les guillemets, impossible de se séparer de son pistolet laser. Point. Toute provocation pourrait avoir des résultats meurtriers. Point. Assure que son mode par défaut est rage. Point. Certain de ne pas être apprécié par son entourage sans pouvoir donner d'exemples précis pour se justifier. Point. Des examens supplémentaires sont nécessaires pour explorer l'obscurité dissimulée dans cette machine composée de panneaux de fibres à densité moyenne. Point. Nicole, marquez-le pour jeudi en 8 et mardi en 15. Ah, mais c'est pas éteint ça, et si je...
voadora de uma vez por todas com Helicopter, o único mata-helicóptero do mercado, feito por tecnologia de ponta para garantir que nenhum helicópterozinho irritante chegue perto da sua cara. Nosso Helicopter vem equipado com tecnologia eletromagnética para mandar helicópteros de volta para o chão, de onde eles nunca deveriam ter saído. Assim, você pode voltar a escalar prédios relaxado. Com esses helicópteros para rodar com Helicopter, disponível nas melhores lojas do ramo.
Following week, may the minutes reflect a scheduled community talk regarding Proposition 627, with particular emphasis placed on the liability and the property damage resulting from the demolition from outside entities. Pursuant to 419, Section 14 of the General Laws of the Commonwealth, we have now notified the public to appear at the time and place and for the purposes mentioned in said notification hereby.
O verão tá aí, e isso significa enxames de helicóptero por todos os lados. Tem um jeito nessa inconveniência voadora de uma vez por todas com Helicopter, o único mata-helicóptero do mercado, feito por tecnologia de ponta para garantir que nenhum helicópterozinho irritante chegue perto da sua cara. Nosso Helicopter vem equipado com tecnologia eletromagnética para mandar helicópteros de volta para o chão, de onde eles nunca deveriam ter saído. Assim, você pode voltar a escalar prédios relaxado. Com esses helicópteros para rodar com Helicopter, disponível nas melhores lojas do ramo.
Le meilleur de la pop qui fait pétiller vos matins de 8 à 10 heures, sponsorisé par 10 secondes, la boisson énergisante. De l'énergie seconde après seconde pour attaquer votre matinée du bon pied au plancher.